What is my name? No, what is my name? Teacher?
Teacher E.
Wow, very nice. What about your name?
My name is Kim.
Kim. What is your Vietnamese name?
Minh.
Oh, Minduk. Wow, Minduk. How old are you?
I'm 7 now.
7 years old. Are you hungry?
No.
No. Minduk. So your name is Minduk. Okay, but I like English name. Minduk, do you like apples?
Yes.
Bananas?
Yes.
Watermelons? Watermelons?
Yes.
Mangoes?
Yes.
Ooh. What about, do you like chicken?
Yes.
Yes. What is your favorite color?
I like green.
Green. Oh. Do you want to go to the park and play?
Yes.
Yes. Do you want to go to the zoo to see the animals?
No.
Okay. How many fingers do you have?
2.
10 fingers. How many hands do you have? Hands. How many hands?
2.
2. What is this?
Nose.
What's this?
Mouth.
What are these?
Shoulders.
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 Very good. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start with the letter. Tell me the letters and the sounds, okay?
Yes. G.
Letter G sounds. Go.
Letter G sound good. Letter H sound good. Letter I sound E.
E, not E. E. Good. Here.
Letter Z sound Z. Letter K sound K. Letter L sound L.
Good job. Here. Ga. Which one is the beginning sound? Ga.
Guitar.
Guitar. Correct. Here. J.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Say again. Jellyfish. Say it.
Jellyfish.
Good. Here.
Ladder.
Letter. Correct. Next. E.
Igloo.
Igloo. Where is igloo? Yes, there you are. Good job. Now for the last part. How many animals do you see? How many animals? Eight animals. Okay, now look at the animals. Which animals that starts with letter G? 2 animals starts with letter G. G.
Goat.
Goat and? Goat and? Curry. Gorilla. Oh no, you forgot gorilla. Okay, here, let's start. Which animals that starts with the beginning sound la?
Lion.
Beginning sound Oh, which animal starts with letter beginning sound k?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Which animal that starts with or beginning sound? Horse. Yes, horse is correct. What about I? Beginning letter I. You don't know? It's color green. It's color green, letter I. What animal?
Iguana.
Yes, you got it right. Very good. Next, look at the table. On the table, you can see many things. What is it?
Cat.
What's the beginning sound? Good. What is it? Oh, here.
Lemon.
Lemon. What's the beginning letter?
O.
What is it?
Sun.
What's the beginning sound?
J.
What is it?
G.
What is the beginning letter?
G.
What's the color?
Yellow.
Do you like gifts?
J.
Yes, you do. What is it?
J.
What's the color? Yellow. Yes, do you like jets?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. And what's the beginning sound? Jump. Give me fist bump. We are finished. Boom. What will you say to teacher?
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Ken. See you again.